In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on your web hosting. So our web hosting is on HostGator. So let's come back to our HostGator control panel. Here what we have to do is we have to search and build a new WordPress website option. Just click it and it will ask for select domain for installation. So my HostGator web hosting allows 999 domains. It's a business account. So initially you can just go for single domain, and as your need and requirements evolve over a period of time, you can purchase a web hosting for maybe 3 domains, maybe 10 domains or unlimited domains. So we'll select our domain, that is healingbuddy.online, and we'll just click next. Just put a blog title healing buddy, admin user healing, first name say put Aman, last name Kashyap, put an admin email, just select the agreement and put install. So it will automatically install WordPress on our web server. So it's installing right now. So these are the installation details. So just save these installation details and proceed to login. So there is an application error. Our domain and web hosting haven't been connected yet. So we are waiting for that to connect. It usually takes some time. So a bit of patience is required. So it's been about 10 hours since I had updated the name servers. So let's see if our website is live or not, if the domain and the web hosting are connected or not. So you can see website coming soon. So it means that the web hosting as well as the domain are connected. So we'll press admin login, or alternatively what you can do is just write healingbuddy.online/wp/admin. So this is the link where you will get the login to your WordPress panel. So open it, check your mail, you'd have got your login credentials. So this is my mail, I'm just gonna see it. So this is it, this is the username. I'll copy it, I'll paste it, I'll copy the password and I'll paste it. Click remember me and log in. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Go to Healing Buddy here, click visit site, open it in a new tab and just see how the layout of the WordPress theme is. So this is our WordPress theme, that basic that WordPress gives us. So we'll edit it and we'll customize a theme and we'll customize the entire website from the next chapter onwards. Keep in loop and be ready to learn a wide range of possibilities by creating your own website in some time from now.